Most watch bands are attached with a pin system. Generally, the pin goes through the band and attached into a cavity on each lock of the watch case. The pin is held in place by pressure exerted by a spring inside it. If you're lucky, your band has a quick release pin that allows you to release this tension with a simple small movement using your fingernail. If you're less lucky, like in this case, you'll need a rigid and sharp object. Ideally, this tool is specifically made for this purpose. You can order it using the link in the description. It comes with a complete kit for maintaining your watch and it's very affordable. All you need to do is to release the pressure of the spring to free the pin. Well, it's a bit more difficult to do when the band is in place. You have to tighten the band to release the mechanism, then insert the tool with a V-shaped tip and apply inward pressure. You might not get it the first try, it's not always easy. But once one side of the pin is freed, the other will come out quickly. Your new band will probably come with its own pin, but you can still use the original pin from your watch on your new band. To reinstall it, insert one side into one of the cavities of the watch and lay the pin on the other log. Using our small tool or even your finger, push the pin so it enters the log. Then, move the band until the pin enters its cavity. The spring will do its job to keep everything in place. Finally, if you're looking for a new band, know that you need to order one of the right size. Often, it's inscribed on the band. Like in this case, it's a 22mm. So, make sure it's not too small or too big. You can follow the link in the description to order your new band. That's all for today. I hope this video was helpful.